Step 1. Click on File /Save As /Browse /File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM /Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert /Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Amend line 8 which currently says C /your folder path / to the file path that you want it to be, and make sure that the quotation marks are included and a / is included at the end of the file path. What it does, the code when implemented will automatically open up and save down all files in a folder before then closing them that are both visible and hidden.
Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.